Top 10 vegetable for diabetic patient. Number 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are excellent food for diabetics. Tomatoes offer a bundle of health benefits. They are loaded with potassium, vitamin C, and lycopene. Lycopene is a pigment that helps reduce risk of heart disease. What makes tomatoes a diabetic superfood is its low carbohydrate content. People with diabetics are often asked to check their carbohydrate intake. Tomatoes have a low glycemic index. The glycemic index is a relative ranking of carbohydrate in foods. Tomatoes also have low calories, which help you keep your weight in check. Diabetes often face a lot of problems with their weight. Including tomatoes in your diet may help maintain healthy weight. About 1.5 medium raw tomatoes each day reduce blood pressure in people with type 2 diabetes. Number 9. Cabbage. A diet-rich vegetable, cabbage is known to be one of the best veggies for tackling high blood sugar levels. This multi-layered veggie is a powerhouse of vitamin A, B1, B2, B6, E, C, K and minerals like calcium, iron, iodine, potassium, sulfur, phosphorus and folate. Cabbage is also packed with antioxidant and anti-hyperglycemic properties that makes it a medicine for diabetes. It helps reduce weight, which is very important to deal with diabetics. People who are pre-diabetics have type 2 diabetes, and anyone who wants to lose weight should add it to their weight loss routine. It is rich in fiber and has only a few calories. These features make it a best food option when it comes to lose some weight. Cabbage contains low glycemic index. After consumption, it carbs absorb slowly in the bloodstream. Cabbage is also helpful to cut down the risk of gestational diabetes. Number 8. Carrot. Carrots are high fiber vegetable. The fiber-rich carrot ensures that your blood sugar levels are steady. Carrots are also high in vitamin A, which helps with immunity and healthy eyes. Carrots are packed with high-boosting antioxidants, which appear to prevent type 2 diabetes. Carrots have a low GI value. The glycemic index is a relative low carbohydrate in foods according to how they affect the blood glucose levels. Diabetes are advised to have foods that have a low GI value. It must also be noted that carrots are very low in calories. Diabetics need to be very careful about the calories count of their food. Number 7. Kale. Kale is the king of super healthy greens. It provides more than 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A and K. Kale is also low glycemic food. If someone is trying to lose weight, then this vegetable should be part of their diet. Kale is full of potassium and has been shown to help manage blood pressure. Drinking kale juice may also help check blood sugar fluctuations in type 2 diabetes. Diabetes are often advised to keep a check on their diet. Your diet plans are an important role in managing diabetes. In fact, your diet and lifestyle are important aspects of diabetes management and treatment. Number 6. Green beans. Beans are diabetic superfood, meaning they are an excellent choice for people with diabetes and provide many health and nutrition benefits. Beans are an excellent, affordable source of protein, fibers, and minerals. Adding beans to a meal can help people keep their blood sugar levels stable and help keep the body healthy. Dietary fiber improves blood cholesterol levels and lowers the risk of heart disease, stroke, and obesity, which are all potential complications of diabetes. They are low on glycemic index scale and do not cause significant spikes in a person's blood sugar levels. Beans are a complex carbohydrate. The body digests this form more slowly than other carbohydrates, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable for longer. Number 5. Cauliflower. One of the best foods diabetic patients can eat is cauliflower. Cauliflower helps patients to control their blood sugar levels as it contains fiber. Importantly, high fiber intake has been shown to improve glycemia, leptin, and insulin sensitivity in non-diabetic and diabetic individuals alike. Diabetics need to mind their fiber intake. Research shows that people with high intakes of dietary fiber not only have a significantly lower risk of obesity and diabetes, but also a lower risk of coronary heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. The superfood is also loaded with protein, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and manganese. The GI of cauliflower is calculated to be between 5 to 15. which is ideal for the people with diabetes. Number 4. Asparagus. Asparagus are the young shoots of a cultivated lily plant. The green vegetable is packed with nutritional value containing high levels of vitamin A and C, potassium, iron and calcium. Regular consumption of vitamin can keep blood sugar levels in check and increase insulin production in the body. It is relatively low calories and low carb. Restricting carb intake therefore helps people with type 2 diabetes control their blood sugar levels. Following a low carb diet also helps people with type 2 diabetes managing their weight, a major risk factor in rising blood sugar levels. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, an antioxidant that have limited the glucose production in the liver in people with diabetes. This green vegetable can also help improve glucose tolerance, regulate fasting blood glucose, especially in obese diabetic patients. These are low in calories and low in carbohydrates and thus ideal for people who have diabetes or those who want to eat light. Broccoli is a very good source of dietary fibers. Fibers take long to break down and digest, and this ensures that the glucose is metabolized slowly, which in turn prevents ultimately blood sugar spikes. Broccoli is very low in carbohydrates. According to experts, diabetes should opt for a low carb diet as it helps keep the blood sugar levels in control. It has a very low glycemic index of 15, which makes broccoli an ideal fit for diabetes. Number 2. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd helps regulate the blood sugar levels in your body. Bitter gourd juice an excellent beverage for diabetes. Its juice make your insulin active. When your insulin is active, your sugar would be used adequate and not to convert into fat, which would eventually help in weight loss too. Bitter gourd has a few active substances with anti-diabetic properties. One of them is carnitine, which is famous for its blood glucose lowering effect. Bitter gourd contains an insulin-like compound called P-insulin, which has been shown to control diabetes naturally. These substances either work individually or together to help reduce blood sugar levels. Bitter gourd is linked to lowering the body's blood sugar. This is because the bitter gourd has properties that act like insulin, which helps bring glucose into the cells for energy. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is known as a superfood, all thanks to its high fiber, lutein, fluid, iron, calcium content, which makes it great for each one of us. This water-soluble veggie has a negligible effect of blood sugar, making it a good food to choose if you are following a diabetic diet that's rich in fiber and protein. Spinach is a superfood for type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Spinach is a rich source of fiber which doesn't digest easily. So, spinach does not cause immediate spikes in blood sugar level. Spinach is a non-starchy veggie, which means it doesn't have much effect on blood sugar levels. Spinach is considered a low glycemic index food, and foods that have a low GI are said to have little or no effect on the blood sugar levels. Diabetes are generally recommended to limit their carbohydrate consumption. Spinach is a veggie that is low in carbohydrate content, which keeps diabetes in check.